There are those who see the world differently. Those who want to see the world. Those who are not cut out for pushing pencils or shuffling paper. Not cut out for cubicles. Who are cut from a different cloth. Who put passion and purpose over paychecks. Who want to go places. We're here to get them there. Because with the most experienced lecturers, real-world training, internationally recognized qualifications and a 93% employment rate, we give our students the hands-on skills they need to take them where they want to be, to reach their full potential, to do what they love to do, to find their own success around the corner or around the world, to feed the traveler or entrepreneur in them, so that they can work in a bigger world. So that they can experience a world of opportunity. With the International Hotel School, our students go further. Our students go anywhere.